Meaning of factually.
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 Factually. Factually refers to something that is based on facts or reality, rather than opinions or beliefs. It implies that the information presented has been verified and is accurate. The use of factually indicates a commitment to truthfulness and objectivity. When something is stated factually, it means that it is not influenced by personal biases or feelings, and can be relied upon as a reliable and objective source of information. In short, factually describes something that is true and verifiable, grounded in evidence and supported by facts.